To bind us together, Miss Jamaica Tumpaga and Mr. John Paul Sumuga. Bridesmaid, Miss Naika Sumuga, and groomsmaid, Mr. Christian Plaida, Miss Noreline Aranden, Mr. Jimon Tumpaga, Miss Teresa Sumugat, and Mr. PJ Jimenez.
Lakas ito si Rob Rob Tanawa.
And now we give the round of applause to our